Understanding the Factory System, a guide to industrial revolution history. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an exciting historical concept, the factory system. This term is crucial in understanding the industrial history and economic development. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. The factory system was a method of manufacturing that began during the Industrial Revolution in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. Before this, products were made individually by craftsmen. However, the factory system introduced a new way of producing goods using machinery, standardized parts, and a centralized workspace. This was a significant shift from the traditional artisanal production to a more systemized and mechanized production method. The main characteristics of the factory system include centralization of production. All production processes were brought under one roof, which improved efficiency. Use of machinery. Machines replaced manual labor, leading to faster and more consistent production. Division of labor. Workers were assigned specific tasks, which they repeated, making the production process more efficient. Mass production. The system enabled the production of large quantities of goods, significantly lowering costs. The factory system had a profound impact on society and the economy. It led to urbanization. People moved from rural areas to cities to work in factories. Economic growth. Increased production led to economic expansion and wealth creation. Social changes. The factory system changed the traditional social structure, leading to a new class of industrial workers. Technological innovation. The need for better and faster machines drove technological advancements. Despite its benefits, the factory system also faced criticism for poor working conditions. Factories often had unsafe and unhealthy working environments. Child labor. The use of child labor was common in factories, leading to social outcry. Environmental impact. Industrialization led to increased pollution and environmental degradation. The factory system was a cornerstone of the Industrial Revolution, marking a significant shift in production methods and having lasting impacts on society and economy. We hope this video has helped you understand this important historical concept. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Remember, keep learning and exploring.